Hey guys, this is M. Javed with another tutorial about how we can give range name to a cell or group of cells and utilize that range name to speed up the work effectively and efficiently in Excel. Here on this employee data sheet, I need to increase the employee's salary by 3.5%. And to do that, instead of writing the percentage in the formula cell directly, I am writing it in a cell separately and referencing it in the formula cell. Well, let's create a new salary column, and I am writing the concerned percentage right next to it. The general approach would be to calculate the new salary by writing the formula and turning the cell reference of the concerned percentage from relative to absolute, so that it can be copied down without any change in the cell reference. Let me undo that, and certainly there is no problem with that approach. But giving the range name makes it even easier to utilize the formulas. Now select the cell where you have written the percentage, and here on this name box, give the cell a range name. The range name could be anything, but it can't be started with the numbers, and surely they shouldn't be look like cell addresses. And the most important, you can't use spaces. Instead, you can use underscores and upper lower cases. Let's I name it S increase, and to me it is salary increased. When I select the cell, instead of showing the cell address, it shows the range name. Now, write the formula, and when you select the percentage cell, instead of showing the cell address in the formula cell, it shows the range name. And if you don't want to select the percentage cell, just start writing the range name. It will give you the range name in the suggestion menu from where you can select it conveniently. And then just complete your formula and copy it down by either double clicking on this cell handle or dragging it down. Here you can see that we don't need to make it an absolute reference, since it already is. Now I'm unhiding the columns by undoing all that. And not only you can give range name to a single cell, but also you can select columns, rows, or certain group of cells of your choice and give them range names. Let's I select all the columns, and to give them range name, either press the combination of keys Ctrl plus Shift plus F3 or go to the Formula tab, and in the Defined Name section, select Create from Selection option, and since I have headings in the top row, I am selecting the option Top Row, and you will choose according to your need. Now, it has created the range names by selecting the top row. And by clicking the drop down here, you can see all the range names we have just created. Now, instead of selecting the certain cells or columns or rows, we can use the range names in our formulas. Well, if I need to know the average salary of the employees, I would just write the average formula and start writing the heading of the salary column. The moment I will start writing, it will give me the option salary in the suggestion menu, and from here I just need to select it and hit enter, and here is the average salary of the employees. Exactly the same way I can use it in other formulas too. Moreover, if you want to see all the range names or manage them, either press Ctrl plus F3 or go to the Formula tab and select Name Manager in the Defined Names section. It will open Name Manager window, And here you can see all the range names and can manage them according to your need by editing, deleting, or creating new ones, etc. Now here on this sheet I have sales data, and by selecting all the sales figure consists of certain group of cells, I can give them a range name. And can use that range name according to my need. Let's say name it S data. And now this certain group of cells has a name. And if I want to calculate the sum, I will just put the formula there. And when I will select the range, it will show me the range name instead of the cell's range addresses. So either I select the range of cells or select the range name option in the suggestion, it will reference the same cells. And then just close the formula and hit enter. And you surely can calculate other formulas too by using the range names as needed. Moreover, if I want to use the range name in other sheets, I sure can, as it will always reference the same cells, columns or rows that has been associated with this range name. Anyhow, using the range name makes it much easier to work on Excel, and most Excel users do use range names to do their work efficiently and effectively, as it eliminates the chance of making mistakes. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.